Welcome, I'm filming the Huawei P9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. Now, to get started, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi, which, as you can see right by the icon over here, I already am. Now, I'm not going to progress further because this would require me to reboot the device. But once you connect to Wi-Fi, you will, like I said, need to reboot the device. Simply hold the power key and select reboot. And once it's back on, you should be then straight back in the first page with selecting a language. From here, choose your language and then tap on emergency call and type in this code. So it's *#* 6130 #*#. And once I press the star, it will go to this option. So you might want to pause it if you need to copy it. And from here, you want to tap on the phone info. Choose SIM1, tap on 3 dots, go to view SIM address book, then tap on the back arrow, and then from here you want to create a new contact. You're tapping on the plus, name it whatever, and then add a email field right here where we have home and the envelope. Again, it doesn't really matter what you write in here, just any kind of letters will do, and tap on the check mark. Once this is done, tap on the email field and choose Google. Skip it, tap on add email and choose Outlook. And here again, type in anything. Once you type it, you want to hold your finger over it to select it and choose assist. And now in the assist option, simply type in Chrome. There we go, so you have Chrome as an app, and you can simply open up Chrome. Let's accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to log in. And nope. And tap on the search bar there and navigate to HardReset.Info. And from here, tap on the 3 bars and go to the download category. And here let's type in I think that's shortcut that I'm looking for. Let me quickly check just to be sure. So yep, it's this app right here. So go to download, scroll down again, and this time around hold this and choose open an incognito tab. This will prevent any kind of problem that might occur with the download. It will give you a message that it needs permission to access the storage, so let's update that and choose allow, and then tap on OK. And once it's done, open it up, and we need to install it, so let's go to the settings and allow from unknown sources, which is right here. Okay, go back and let's tap on 3 dots, and it looks like we cannot access the downloaded, so we need to do that again. So we need to download it once more. Let's choose replace, open it, install. And from here, let's choose to accept and open it up. And from here we should be in the app itself, so you can search right at the top. So you can type in Huawei Home, like so, and there we go. And now shortened, so there it is, Huawei Home. When you tap on it, it expands it, and we have 2 different ones. It looks like Huawei Home here and Huawei Home here. So let's just try this. Once you tap on it and choose try, and yes, and there we go. So we're now on the home screen, which is where we want to be. And in here we're gonna go into the settings. So let's find the settings right over here. And what you want to do now is go to Where is it? I assume it's gonna be in advanced settings in this case. We're looking for backup and reset. Oh, there it is. Backup and reset. So it is in advanced. Choose that, and then factory data reset. And reset phone. Reset phone. There we go. So now it's beginning. Now this will take a couple of minutes, but once it's finished, we'll be then back in the setup screen, and this time around there will be no need to verify anything. This will be at this point, it will be fully unlocked, so there won't be any need to verify anything. You can log into your Google if you want to, or skip it. Also skip connection to Wi-Fi if you want to, or connect to it. It's completely up to you. But yeah, I'll be back once it's finished. So there we go, the process is finally finished, and let's put in the pin for the SIM card, which will unfortunately automatically change the language to Polish because of the origin of the SIM card. So let's change it back. And from here we can simply progress through the setup as we would normally do. Now, like I said before, we can set it up as however we like, so if you want to skip something, go right ahead, like skipping Wi-Fi. And like I also said, we can connect to anything that you want, so adding passwords, Google accounts and all that stuff, it's completely up to you if you want it or not. I'm gonna skip most of it just to preserve on time. Skip this as well, and there we go. So as you can see, we're now on the home screen with no verification. The device is now fully unlocked. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.